So the bottom economic transformation agenda is really anchored on various value chains. One of those key value chains is agriculture. Now, agriculture plays a very huge role in terms of our economy. It's one of our highest contributors. I think in the last financial year, 2024, it contributed about 1 trillion Kenya shillings into the economy. That tells you the importance of that sector. Now, this agenda was actually quite well thought out by the government of Kenya in terms of we have a lot of small sector players and farmers within the agricultural sector. But one of the huge challenges that these farmers face is post-harvest losses. Kimani, I would shock you to tell you that, but I'm sure this is not even news to you. Kenya actually suffers a loss of about 40% post-harvest losses. And that is sad in terms of the kind of efforts that our farmers are putting in. So one of the key sectors that KDC is focusing on is actually post-harvest losses, in which we're looking at financing, logistics, storage, value addition. Again, we've been an economy that has been exporting a lot of our raw materials from this sector raw, but actually we are now focusing on value add. And equally, another pillar of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda is industrialization, which is at the heart of KDC. We are supporting manufacturing, and part of the support we are giving to manufacturing is that we provide financial solutions. We currently have a line of credit from India that supports investors in Kenya who are looking to transfer technology from India to bring in machinery at a concessional rate. And Brian, the good news about this product is that it's exempt from duty. And so a lot of investors within the manufacturing space can actually benefit and have benefited